y'all. It's been a while. It's been a really long time. Oh my goodness. I did miss y'all though. Jesus. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know. I've been sick these past couple days for real. Like, I don't know if I got the Rona or if I got the flu. Try looking it up. The symptoms are the same, so that don't help me. So, I don't know. But it's ENJ, no chaser. We need no chaser, baby. Okay. But, as you can see, it's just E today because, J all the way in Pontiac, Yaktown, and that's about like 30 minutes from me. Okay. And we're trying to, practice social distancing and all that, be healthy and stuff. And plus, we got to start doing solo videos anyway with this quarantine. So, here we are. Sorry for those who just wanted the J. Hope I don't disappoint. Okay. But yeah, it is hot. It is hot. Hold on. I feel like, I don't know if that's the fever or if it's just hot in my room. Hold on. 1 second. And we're ready. Okay. Whew, y'all, I'm sorry. I felt like that video where that girl talking about who told Satan to sit his booty crack on the world. That's how I felt. I don't know if y'all know the video. I'm gonna drop it in a minute. Where am I? Stop it.
1,000 damn degrees. I am sitting right next to my air conditioner, right next to it. It is on the lowest temperature on the highest damn speed, okay? 64 degrees, and it's on turbo. What the do I need to put this bitch on? Power Ranger? This is unacceptable. I did not sign up for this. When I prayed during the winter months, I asked the Lord to make it warm. I did not say, Lord, please bring the devil from hell and have him sit his ass crack on earth. That's not what I asked.
I'm sorry for not knowing where my stuff is, y'all. This is so ghetto of me, and I apologize. Just had it. All right, so did not tell y'all what we was doing. Okay, so we're doing a little get ready with me for my little FaceTime date. With this quarantine and stuff. We're going to the movies. AKA we watching Netflix at the same time. The same movie while we on FaceTime. So yeah. Get ready for that little thing. But I can't be looking like I'm dying, because I do. Like, look at me. I look like I'm dying. Like, slowly dying. Maybe I am. I don't know. I would get tested, but Jones said that them testing centers a little crazy right now. So I'm practicing self-quarantine until I'm over all of whatever this is. This ghetto-ness. Once I'm over that, we back with it, baby. Disclaimer, most of my products are gonna be from Beauty Supply. I'll let you know if they're not, but like, I don't got money like that, so we doing this. We getting cute for the cheap, okay? Betty on the budget, okay? So it's weird to look at y'all like this. Like, I'm looking at a little hole, so I'm gonna be looking like this, or like I'll be looking at my mirror over here. So just so y'all know, let's get it. Yes, sir. All right, so I'm using this Ruby Kiss palette. I think it's for eyeshadows, but I'm using it like that reddish color to color correct because your girl looking deadly. Okay. Ooh, so that's what we're doing with that. Putting it in my dark spots. Alrighty, so this eyebrow pencil that we're using, it is from the good old Beauty Supply around the corner. It came with like a spoolie and a sharpener, and it was for like the cheap, a good $2. We could do $2 for sure. We love to see it. And we're highlighting. We're gonna highlight underneath the brow. I don't really use this above. It's just really light. I like that more natural eyebrow look, so I'm gonna use something different above there. But underneath we're using this. It helps to get it, cut. Okay, looking real carved out and all of that. So that's what we love to see. That's what we're doing now. Oh, and this concealer is by ColourPop. It's in the color Dark 40. All right, so yeah, I told y'all I'm using something. Oh goodness, I told y'all I'm using something different above my brow. I'm using this my foundation color. It's in the color 340 Cappuccino. It's by Maybelline, their Fit Me foundation. This is like the only foundation I really use, because it's for, you know, cheap, and we trying to be a baddie on a budget, okay? Because who got the coins like that? Not I.
Oh, yeah, bros.
See, now you know I love y'all because I really exposed my crusty, dusty lips to y'all, and I'm so sorry, but I love y'all. Okay, foundation time. We're using that same foundation at Maybelline 340. Putting it all over the face. I don't know why I'm using this tiny brush. I don't know where my other brushes are, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, girl, tired because this sickness is no joke. Okay, I'm blending all this in. You could tell that my darkness is kind of like gone away since I had that redness underneath. And now it's time to contour. This stuff is just from Beauty Supplies. Nothing special. Regular dark color for contouring to get you defined. Okay, get your face, you know, cut and yep, looking better. Not as fat. My fat cheeks, those are from my childhood. They just never went away, like ever. Blend. Y'all better blend like y'all life depends on it, because we do not need no photos where you looking like, girl, what is that on your face? No, we need to be blended and looking smooth, and yes, we need to look like skin, okay? All right, now we're highlighting underneath the eyes, chin, forehead, you know, the usual spots. This is with that same stuff I went underneath my eyebrow with, and we're blending. Because that's the most important part. Like, your stuff can look, you know, you can be using all the right stuff, but if it's not blended, like, sis. And I hate when you got them friends that don't tell you that your stuff is blended. They let you walk out, take all these pictures, and then you can't even post none of them because you're looking like you missed a spot or a few. So we don't need that. So make sure you can blend. Okay, so boom. We on to setting powders called banana powder. I don't know who it's by. All products will be linked in the description box because I know I'm gonna miss some things. But I'm patting that in because I want it to like set better, and it sets better when you like pat that in your face instead of just like laying it on top. Okay, since you look good. Okay, blend it out. Okay, go ahead. Okay, look at you. All right, and now we are going to do setting spray. This by Milani Make It Last. They're matte. Got it from Kroger. Let it set. Lashes, Beauty Supply, of course. Okay, this is me talking about my lashes because, man, they are curly as hell. Like, they're so curly. They're anti-social. They don't let nobody in. They don't let me do my lashes for real. Like, it's a struggle because I cannot get them things in them things. Just, like, look at the struggle. So if y'all got straight lashes, be blessed. Y'all blessed. Be happy, okay? Because this ain't it. See, look at that. What is that?
6.5 hours later.
Oh my goodness. My lashes fro be on that Deborah Cox tip talking about something. How did you get here? Nobody's supposed to be here. That's like the tip. Like, they don't be, see? All right, we're gonna leave it alone. Like, they gonna have to they just need some time alone so they can mingle and get together. We gonna try the other side. Maybe they're more friendly. Sis tired. So tired. And we're here. God bless. Because, man, it was a charity. Okay, mascara on the bottom. Probably should be on the top, but it's okay. We're using the Maybelline Falsies. Yeah, and I'm using the Q-tip to clean it up because, like I said, curly lashes, I always get mascara on my face. But it's okay. I'm used to it. Okay, now we're highlighting. We're using the Artist Couture, Conceited, this printed. Oh, it's so pretty. See, I couldn't even talk. But this spend a pretty penny on this, maybe like $30. Couldn't have been more than $30. I want to say like between 20 and 30. But this is from Sephora. I put it mainly where I highlighted. I did setting spray, but I think I sprayed too close to my face. That's why I look a little wet. But you know, we're gonna fix it. See, blending, it saves everything. Okay. So we're trying to blend all that out because we will not restart. I refuse. But yeah. Okay, we back at it again with the highlight, okay? Take 2. But it's pretty, like, ting, look at it. Other side. Yes, sis, you deserve to hype yourself up. Okay, now we're using this butter gloss by NYX. It's in the color Cinnamon Roll. Man, this thing was sold out for a minute and discontinued. Okay, we're using a clear gloss on top of that. But I don't understand why you would discontinue something that's so popular. It don't make... And I got mascara on my eye. My whole contact. That's why I'm like fluttering like a bird. Because you know, when you like keep blinking, that kind of washes your eye out. So that's what I was doing. But yeah, we're finished. Okay. Hey, y'all. Look at. Hey. Okay. Oh, look at them edges. Yes. Okay, Eben. Okay. Laid. Okay. We got waves and all. Yeah, so you must blend because whenever you got like a scarf or something on that you put on before your makeup, it's gonna look like that. Okay, y'all did great. You know, I'm just rocking this little low ponytail, little natural style. You feel me? Let me go get dressed. I'll be right back. Okay, we're dressed. Just you know, a little jean jacket, a little shirt. You feel me? Nothing crazy. It's just a FaceTime day. Can't really see everything anyway. You really can only see from here up, so it don't matter. But see, out of breath. I'm getting dressed. Coronavirus. Ridiculous. But yeah, this is the finished look. We got a little natural low ponytail out here. You feel me? If you want to see how I did this style, cause this for sure is not my hair, but people be asking all the time, oh my god, is that your hair? Like, no. But yes, but no. So yeah, but that's about it. Lots to go on this little date. Set up my Netflix. It's the first date, so I swear if you over here coming at me with the what's that Netflix login? We not doing that. We're not doing that because why can't you afford doing it? Get on my face. The door. The end of the call. The next man. Dialing the next. Baby boy. If I can afford my own Netflix, you can too. So yeah. Let y'all know how it goes.